In this video, I'll show you how you can easily make a beautiful profile picture using this online tool. The tool is pfpmaker.com. I have provided the link in the description. So here I have two images. So first open this website and drag your image here. And wait for the process to be completed. You can select different categories from here. See how you can easily make your profile picture very beautiful. There are some more options here. You can give more customization to your photos from here. We will try one more time with another photo. This time we will try with this image. Just drag the photo here and wait for the process to complete. And you are done. See how easily you can give your profile picture a professional look. You can download the pictures from here. You can use this picture anywhere you want, like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want to use. That's it. Thank you.